So Donald Trump has doubled down on his crypto conviction in the United States. And in this video, we're going to talk about what this means for XRP, what it means for US based companies, of course, Ripple being the largest US based company, but also a couple narratives that are continuing to heat up. And right now, we're following the breadcrumbs. We're looking and seeing what's happening around us, what Donald Trump, what big institutions, what big banks are doing, and we're gaining insight as the retail investor. And in this video, I want to break down exactly what Trump recently said just a day after he highlighted an article about Ripple, about Brad Garlinghouse, about the Trump effect. He went ahead and reshared something on his Truth Social that was all about XRP and how, basically they are continuing to hire like crazy within their company, and they're hiring people right here in the United States rather than having to build their company offshores, which that's what Ripple had to do for 4+ years as Gary Gensler and company, the SEC, pulled them into a lawsuit back in December of 2020. Ripple did not shy away from growing, but they had to focus in other regions, other areas of the world. And now they're coming back to the United States. So is Binance. We got news yesterday that Binance is coming back to the United States. All of these major companies now are focused on growing and building within the United States, which we have never had anything like this runway for crypto in the US. So many people, though, right now are, basically saying, hey, Zach, we have all this good news, but why isn't crypto moving? Why isn't it growing? And I feel like there's a lot of new people in the market who just don't understand that things don't go up and up and up and up and up, right? You have to play the long game. And I want this to be educational. It frustrates me when I see the comments, oh, Zach, you're just throwing clickbait information. No, guys, this is not clickbait information. This is real information. It's really positive for crypto. It doesn't mean your bags are going to 20x tomorrow or today. But what it does mean is if you have the patience, if you have the wherewithal to understand where this thing's going, you're going to do extremely well in crypto. But you have to play the long game, and you got to be invested in the right things. And I'm here to educate you guys. I can't tell you what to buy or what to sell and all of that, but I want to give you guys the information. Now, there are tools and resources out there. So before we get into this Trump doubling down on crypto, I will tell you, if you're a serious crypto investor, I've got a trading indicator that works. XT Algo. If you're looking to level up, if you're looking to take the next step, if you're looking to separate yourself from just the regular run-of-the-mill trader, well, XT Algo is a way you can do it. And right now, there's a discount code in the description, 30-day money-back guarantee, guys. You could try this risk-free for 30 days. And these prices are slashed by 22%. So for $37 a month, a little over $1 a day, get you started here. And again, you could try it risk-free for the first 30 days, cancel at any time. But I'm confident you're going to love it, and you're going to continue to see the value here. So again, that link is down below. It's going to let you know when charts are getting ready to break out and when charts are breaking down for you to take profits on your investment. So Donald Trump underscores commitment to make U.S. the crypto capital. Now, he said this once before, but he doubled down at a press conference yesterday in Miami. I want to highlight some of the things he said, and also, again, some of the things that are happening around us that make me extremely excited, extremely, happy about where we're going, right? So Into the Block did a really nice job breaking this thing down. And here's a quick take. President Trump said, we want to stay at the forefront of everything, and one of them is crypto. Now, he's also trying to stay ahead of the game when it comes to AI. That's why David Sachs is in place and heading up that committee over there. Trump spoke about the economy as a whole on Wednesday, then turned to speaking specifically about Bitcoin and crypto. U.S. President Donald Trump attributed Bitcoin's record highs to his commitment to making, quote, America the crypto capital. Bitcoin set multiple all-time record highs because everyone knows that I'm committed to making America the crypto capital. This was at a Future Investment Initiative Institute conference on Wednesday in Miami as Bitcoin was closing yesterday at around 96,700. We are now well above 97K. The market is pumping. We have some assets that are up 20, 15, 12, 10% right now. So a nice little bounce back in the market today, up 3% so far on the day here at the time of this recording. Before being elected last year, Trump said he planned to make the U.S. the crypto capital of the planet. Bitcoin took off. Crypto took off. Trump has made a ton of moves. Now, Paul Atkins coming in, he's a crypto-friendly former regulator. He is going to be leading the SEC, one of the key agencies that has had a significant role in trying to rein in the industry. And really, that's said lightly. They've destroyed the industry the last few years. But now with Paul Atkins in, a pro-crypto candidate, pro-crypto guy, this is going to change the game, in my opinion. Same thing with the CFTC and this whole committee that's being, put in place. Trump, showcased his love for the entire industry by launching his own meme coin, and his wife has her own meme coin, and they both reached billions of dollars in market cap. The Trump coin's still in the billions. And on Wednesday, Trump mentioned his executive orders to keep the United States, quote, at the forefront of AI and to end Joe Biden's war on Bitcoin and crypto. That has been something I think is very important to, not just look over. This is not just about Bitcoin, right? This is about crypto at large. He wants to make crypto flourish. And that takes us into some of the things that, we're looking at. Real quick, I'll give you his last comment. We ended the war totally. That war is over. They were very hostile toward them until the very end because there's so many people on Bitcoin and crypto that just before the end, the SEC came out and they were being very nice, basically saying, hey, that SEC regime is gone. So now we turn the table to kind of look at, okay, what should we be looking at because Trump is doubling down on, crypto? Well, the RWA narrative to me is going to be the one that brings in tons of money through the institutions. And this is your list: Chainlink, AVAX, HBAR, Mantra, Ondo, VeChain, Algorand, Injective, XDC, Quant, to name a few. You've got Pendle down here, Reserve Rights. All of these on this list are intriguing to me. Ondo is my largest holding of all of these right now. And again, this is not financial advice. I'm just breaking it down for you guys. And then I own Chainlink, HBAR, AVAX, VeChain, Algorand as well on this list, and a little bit of XDC. I want exposure to this top category right here, RWA, and I want the highest market cap plays. I think all of these are significantly undervalued right now and continue to be as the institutions slowly make their way into the industry. Once full regulation is there, this is the sector that I think is going to really pop the biggest, first. And then USA-based cryptos, of course, you got XRP. And I want to get into XRP and the conversation around it because after, Donald Trump said what he said about XRP yesterday, we've got back up to 270. The whales came in heavy at 250. I think XRP is one of the most undervalued plays here still as the number 3 crypto in the world, $155 billion market cap. We're going to see, I think, a double-digit XRP, in my opinion. And, the SEC versus Ripple case, all indications are that it's slowly coming to an end. It's not going to happen overnight. We've got to get Atkins in there. And this is going to be one of the first issues, I think, addressed by Trump and the team. And I think XRP is super, super well positioned. And again, this entire list with XRP at the top, you've got then Solana, Doge, Cardano, Chainlink, Stellar, AVAX, SWI, Litecoin here, very undervalued still. HBAR, Polkadot's been throttled. Uniswap is another play that I think is very interesting right now. You've got Ondo down here, Trump's actual official coin, Algorand down here, very undervalued. So many different plays here that I think you can turn to, in my opinion, to kind of front run this narrative. And XRP is probably the least risky of all, given it's the highest market cap, sitting here at 270. And it definitely, certainly, in my opinion, has tremendous upside too. So that's the full breakdown of the list. Before we get up on out of here, if you guys want a place to trade futures, you want to go long on XRP, you want to go long on Chainlink or AVAX, some of these ones that haven't pumped yet, BTCC is my preferred exchange. There's a link down below. We are giving away $400 worth of XRP to 4 lucky winners by the end of the month, guys. But you have to sign up, start trading with me over at BTCC. And again, there's a link down below in the description. I appreciate you all for watching the video. Let me know your thoughts down below in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe right here to the channel.